Hello everyone, welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make this fire sensor. So here are the components. First we need to have a battery. This is a battery source 9-volt battery. After that this is a battery gap and this is a NPN transistor BC547. So there are three terminals from if we see from the flat side. First one is collector, center one is base, and third one is emitter. Collector is connected to the positive of the buzzer, and after that base is connected to the photodiode positive, and negative line is connected to the negative of the buzzer, and sorry, positive of the buzzer, and the emitter is connected to the uh, battery gap. uh, the circuit will work like that. The diode will give some pulse to the transistor. Transistor will get in the active region and connect the ground to the negative side of the buzzer. If we put some fire on that, it will become less resistive, and transistor will start conducting, and the ground will reach to the negative of the buzzer, and the buzzer will start buzzing. So let's start it. So now when we give the fire, the buzzer will start buzzing. As you can see, when the fire comes, the buzzer start buzzing. Okay, so like this we can make our own fire alarm. Thank you very much. Do like our video.